In this video, we're gonna take a look at Avail Landlord Software. So we're gonna see if it's worth it or not for you and your business. So I have here a list with the pros and the cons. So we're gonna start with the pros. Free for unlimited units. So unlimited listings, rent collection, digital leases, screening, maintenance, and tenant portal. Strong listing reach, so syndication to 20 plus platforms like realtor.com, apartments.com, etc. User friendly and supportive, so highly praised interface and responsive support. Affordable premium features, so as you can see, $9 per unit per month. Adds custom leases, fast pay, no ACH fees, property websites. Now, moving to the cons, so as you can see, premium plan costs add up. So basically, $9 per unit can escalate. So as you can see, 9 units users, so $40 from $40 to $81 per month. UX pain points, so lease renewals and the invoicing can become cumbersome. No mobile app and limited accounting, so no native mobile app. Accounting and integrations are basic, no bank sync, no QuickBooks export. Support inconsistency, mixed feedback on speed and reliability of customer response. So these are some pros and cons. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.